AI influencers are making more money from one post than most real creators make in months. And they don't exist. No camera, no photo shoots. She literally doesn't exist. And over the last few months, I've been quietly studying this space. Not surface level, I mean deep. Tracking accounts, reverse engineering their content, analyzing how they monetize, watching what actually converts. And what I found completely changed how I see content, business, and digital assets. Because there is an entire underground economy of people building AI influencers, AI UGC pages, and AI product brands that are already doing 5, 6, even 7 figures without ever showing their face. Today, I'm going to break down the real business models behind this, the 2 completely different ways people are making money with AI influencers, and why 2026 is setting up one of the biggest digital land grabs we've seen since the early days of social media. And more importantly, how you can position yourself on the right side of it. When most people hear AI influencer, they imagine someone generating random faces, posting a few pictures, and hoping something goes viral. I thought the same thing at first, but once I started studying successful accounts, I realized something critical. There are 2 completely different games being played. One group is building long-term digital assets, brands, characters, intellectual property. The other group is building cash flow machines, fast, scalable, designed to convert attention into money. Most people fail because they mix these 2 approaches and end up mastering neither. Let me show you both. The first model is what I call digital real estate. This is where AI influencers are treated like real brands, long-term, consistent, positioned for major partnerships. If you look at some of the top AI influencers right now, they're working with billion-dollar companies, automotive brands, fashion houses, global retailers. Some of them have launched their own products. Some of them have fan subscriptions. Some of them haven't even monetized yet and still have hundreds of thousands of followers. Which is wild because when they flip that switch, they're not starting from zero. They're launching into attention. And the most important thing I discovered while studying these accounts is this. The people winning this game are not making images. They are building controlled digital characters. They understand visual consistency, narrative consistency, positioning, aesthetic, and audience psychology. This is why big brands work with them, because they don't look like AI experiments. They look like intellectual property. And here's something most people don't realize. When you build an AI influencer like this, you're not building content. You're building an asset that can do brand deals, an asset that can launch products, an asset that can sell subscriptions, an asset that can be sold, licensed, or scaled into multiple characters. And the biggest technical reason most people fail here is simple. They cannot keep their character consistent. One post looks good, the next one looks like a different person. That one problem kills almost every serious attempt in this space. Now, the second model is completely different. This is not about building a brand. This is about building distribution. Pages that use AI influencers to create viral, high-volume content designed to drive clicks, comments, and conversions. These pages don't care about long-term character lore. They care about hooks, stories, emotion, relatability, and automated monetization. A lot of these pages are in niches like health, beauty, motivation, and lifestyle. They use AI influencers as on-screen presenters, storytellers, or experts. Then they connect that attention to affiliate offers, digital products, lead funnels, and automation. So when someone comments, they're automatically sent links. This is where people are quietly making money every single day. No brand deals, no waiting, no perfection, just volume, psychology, and structure. And the reason this works so well is because AI lets you create unlimited content, unlimited variations, unlimited testing. You don't burn out. Your creator doesn't get tired. Your production doesn't slow down. And when someone finds something that works, they scale it. Multiple pages, multiple niches, multiple characters. Most people never see this side of the industry, but it's massive. Here's why I believe this space is about to create a new wave of digital millionaires. Number 1, the technology is finally good enough. We now have tools that can create believable, consistent, high-quality people, content, voices, and visuals. Number 2, the public is not caught up. Most people scrolling cannot tell what's AI. They engage naturally, which means the algorithms push it harder. And number 3, this is still early. Right now, attention is cheap. The systems are open. And the people who are learning how to build these assets now are positioning themselves before this becomes mainstream. Because once everyone understands what's happening, the opportunity doesn't disappear, but it gets harder. This is bigger than AI influencers. This is about AI content businesses, AI UGC brands, AI product photography studios, AI ad agencies, AI creator brands, AI media companies. AI is not replacing creators, it's multiplying them. If you want a real overview of how this all connects, I put together something free called the AI Content Monetization Map. This breaks down the real models people are already using with AI influencers, AI UGC, and AI product visuals to build scalable income. It shows you how all of this actually connects and where the real opportunities are right now. You can download that free in the description below.
But if you're the type of person who doesn't just want to understand this space, I also released something more hands-on called the AI Influencer Starter Blueprint.
This is designed for people who want to turn AI into a usable digital asset. Inside, I walk you through influencer identity, character consistency, positioning, and monetization foundations. So you're not just generating images, but actually building something that can be used for UGC, product visuals, and brand work. If your goal is to create an AI influencer the right way, with structure, clarity, and long-term potential, the Starter Blueprint is for you.
Both are linked below. If you want to be early to what's coming, make sure you're subscribed and don't forget to hit that like and bell button so you don't miss out. See you in the next video.